Hey there! Did you know that Canva, the tool you use to make birthday invites and Instagram stories, can also make you some serious cash? Yep, the same app you've been using to create aesthetic memes can help you turn your creativity into income. With over 135 million active users, Canva is like a playground for creators. And today, I'm going to show you how to turn your designs into dollars. So grab your coffee or tea, no judgment here, and let's dive into 7 fun and creative ways to make money with Canva. 1. Sell digital templates. People love templates. Resume templates, social media post templates, wedding invitations, you name it. Use Canva to create stunning, customizable designs and sell them on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Humor hook. Why spend hours designing a wedding invite when you can buy one from you, the hero with the Canva account and a flair for fonts? 2. Start a social media design business. Every business wants eye-catching social media posts, but not every business has a designer. That's where you come in. Offer your design services to create posts, stories, and banners using Canva. Relatable angle. Because let's face it, not everyone can turn Comic Sans into a masterpiece, but you can. 3. Create and sell printables. From planners and calendars to inspirational wall art, Canva makes it easy to design printables people will love. Upload your creations to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon KDP. Pro tip, motivational quotes like live, laugh, love still sell, but feel free to spice it up with something sassier like coffee first, chaos later. 4. Offer Canva tutorials. Are you a Canva wizard? Teach others how to use it. Create tutorials on YouTube, sell online courses, or even offer one-on-one coaching. People are always looking for tips to up their Canva game. Humor hook. Show them how to go from meh to wow. Because no one deserves clip art level designs in 2024. 5. Design merch for print on demand. Combine Canva's design tools with print on demand platforms like Printful or Redbubble. Create cool designs for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and earn money every time someone orders. Engaging twist. Who wouldn't want a mug that says, "World's okayest coffee drinker" in your signature font? 6. Freelance as a presentation designer. People hate making presentations, but they love hiring someone to do it for them. Use Canva to create professional, visually stunning slides for businesses, students, or anyone giving a TED Talk. Fun idea? Turn boring PowerPoints into showstoppers and get paid to do it. Goodbye bullet points, hello design magic. 7. Build a personal brand with Canva. Use Canva to design your own logos, marketing materials, and content. Then leverage that polished brand to land clients or sell your products and services. Canva is your all-in-one toolkit for standing out online. Pro tip, because nothing says professional like a brand that looks like it cost a fortune, but didn't. So, which Canva money-making idea are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun and creative money-making tips, and share this video with someone who's just as obsessed with Canva as you are. Let's turn those Canva skills into cash flow, one design at a time. Cha-ching.